Isabel, clap.
How'd you get it out of the thing?
It was already out.
Oh, oh. She figured out. That's a good one. I like that move. That's a good move.
Do I want this one or this one?
Those teeth still hurt?
Really? You just keep rocking. You're just going right along.
He sure is. Uh-oh.
Put him in the tub and it's just one big splash.
The big bathtub? He loves it.
She can go swimming.
Yeah. I set his legs down in the hot tub and he's just like, his little legs ready to go in.
More music?